Eva asks, what does it mean to work with nature instead of against it? Well, we use nature as the teacher, the model. Nature's been self-sufficient, sustainable for a very long time. So it's got a system, right? And you look at that system and you realize that every component in nature does more than one job, and every job is performed by more than one element. So it's a connected web of life. And the performance is to create a sustainable result, which is anchored in the soil. The soil is continuously improving. When you work with nature, you design a natural system that actually creates soil. The soil gets better as you're producing. The garden behind me here, 20 years of gardening, and the soil gets better all the time. And there's thousands of tons of produce that's come out of this garden. Our work is to improve the banking system of nature, the soil itself. Life is based in soil as the main resource.